Hello, fellow YouTubers. LeoEW2 Stop Motioner here, and today it is time for my review of Transformers War for Cybertron Siege, Walgreens exclusive Ratchet. Ratchet is one of my favorite characters, but this toy is awful. Where's his head? Oh, wait a minute. There it is. I study my toys. So, yeah, this toy is actually really awesome. I love this. I love this toy. It's really good. I really wish they had picked a place for him to be an exclusive to that's more known for its variety of toys. I mean, it's bad enough that they made the main character like Ratchet an exclusive. But that's nothing bad about the figure itself. It's just marketing. And he has some cool things you can get him. You got this gun on the back where you can plug a weapon in, or whatever you want to do with it. This guy is a repaint of Ironhide, but with a different head and different weapons. I really want to get that Siege Ironhide, but he is not cheap. If he gets an Earthrise figure, that'd be great. And the Ratchet also comes with a wrench, and you can put the blast in his hand right here. And if you want a quick size comparison, here he is next to Siege Deluxe Class Mirage, and wow, I didn't really notice Ratchet is a lot taller than Mirage. Alright, so yeah, this screams Ratchet. There's no one else that this could be. Alright, now let's get him ready for his transformation. Just gonna plug his wrench in right here. Alright, now to transform, first you're gonna fold this down, fold his head in, then you're gonna kind of pull this out a little bit so it folds up over that. I didn't notice that at first. Fold that down, take the arms like this, turn them, and then connect them together. Make sure they're over that. Then you want to take this whole section right here, twist it around. You want to pull the legs down, fold these things up. And you're going to fold that over the hands. Alright, then you want to connect it together. Make sure you get the legs connected together too. Fold this up, lock it into place. Then you fold this up, and here we have his vehicle forming. It's great. I like it. I mean, it's a bit gappy here, but that's really fine. I mean, it looks great otherwise. I want this van. And then for equipping him, you just put this right here. Then you have him weaponized. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. One of the things with Ratchet, I feel kind of bad for his G1 self. He would do repairs for the Autobots, and outside of that, he was a big-time background character, and then he just dies in the movie, but the 1986 one. But he's definitely had more spotlight since then, and also better toys, as you can see right here. Alright, then he has a third form, so you want to pull those out. Or it's a little bit tight. There you go. I'm going to fold these back down. You can just pull this down, connect it together. Alright, then you're going to disconnect the arms, pull them out to the side, turn them, pull this up. Then you turn this, like this. This is a great figure, but I think this is easily his weakest form because I think they just looked at him and just did a little manipulating with him. Like, this kind of looks like a medical bay. I mean, it works, but you can't really fit too many people. I mean, even Mirage, who is a lot smaller than Ratchet, doesn't fit on him very well. I mean, it kind of does, but it's a little tough. But that's pretty much Siege Ratchet. I do really like Ratchet. This toy, it's great. I just think this mode isn't the best. But otherwise, I would recommend it if you can find them. So if you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and God bless.